So efficiency is equal to, this one is what? Mechanical advantage, load by effort. dE by dL is velocity ratio. dE by dL is velocity ratio. Another quantity we got what? Efficiency is the ratio of mechanical advantage to the velocity ratio. Yes, and it can be written in percentage also. So dE and dL for a particular machine will not change. So therefore velocity ratio will not change for a machine. Yes, the velocity ratio remains constant, but AMA will change for a particular type of machine. That is, if it is force multiplier or force multiplier. Now, so therefore MA is equal to, from that, MA from this equation, this is I am writing 1. So MA equal to mechanical advantage equal to eta into VR. Eta into VR. Another way we can write mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage of a machine is equal to the product of its efficiency and velocity ratio. Okay, velocity ratio. Now we are considering two types of machine, that is ideal machine and actual machine or real machine. Okay, in case of ideal machine, work input equal to work output. Work input equal to work output. So that what happened? Machine will be 100% efficient. Efficiency of machine is 100%. Okay, that is efficiency will be 1. It means for ideal machine MA is equal to VR. Work input is equal to work output, so that eta is equal to 1 or 100%. In this case we are assuming there is no friction between the movable part of the machine. Machine is weightless. Yes, but in actual practice it is not possible. Efficiency is always less than 1 or 100%, because machine having its own weight, as well as there is weight of the movable part, frictions is there, so therefore some energy will be lost. There is some loss of energy. So therefore, how much input we are giving, we are getting less output. So that what happened, this is for actual case, actual machine. This is for ideal machine. So work output is always less than work input. That is, MA is always less than what? Mechanical advantage is always less than velocity ratio. Is it? Okay, now next class we'll do lever. Okay, thank you. Next class we'll do lever.